You can add payment links to your emails and also to your quotes and orders that you are sending out in order to enable customers to pay deposits and balances due online. So here's an example of a click to add payment button in an email. And here's an example of an add payment button inside a quote. In order to have this, you must have Smart Quote enabled, and you must also have a payment gateway already set up and working. Once you have that, you can add the payment link button through your quote or your email or your order or your invoice through your form designs. So for example, this is a quote. When you get to your body email, you will have an extra set of variables down here, and one of them will be payment link. So you've got payment link you can add there, or to add it to the actual quote or order itself, you can add it inside the binding text area. So in here, I've added it as a payment link like this. And once you've done that, when you send it out, it will come out as per these examples.